Good morning to everyone. Today topic is the differences between to the Maxwell-Boltzmann and Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics. First one, Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics and Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac. So what is the main difference between to the these three statistics? The first one, MB, Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. It applies to system of identical distinguishable particles such as gases. The next one is Bose-Einstein. This is also a identical and the distinguishable particle are not obeying from the Pauli's exclusion principle. And the third one is which obeying from the Pauli's exclusion principle such as electrons. The next point is in the statistics of the particles are called as a classical particles. These particles is called as nothing but a bosons. The Fermi-Dirac statistics of the particles is called as a fermions. Now the third one is there is no restriction on the number of particles in a given state, and B also same phenomenon, but the FD only one particle quantum state. What is the energy distribution of the in this function? F of E is equal to 1 by e power alpha plus ei by kt. The Bose-Einstein function f of E is equal to 1 by e power alpha plus e by kt minus 1. Now the third one, the distribution energy function of FD, f of E is equal to 1 by e power alpha plus ei by kt plus 1. Now the MB function of energy is neta I is equal to gi by e power alpha plus e by ei by kt. Now the second one, B statistics, neta is equal to gi by e power alpha plus ei by kt minus 1. The last one, Ni is equal to gi by e power alpha plus ei by kt plus 1. Now the last point, the system may be zero at a absolute temperature, that is nothing but at absolute zero will be a monoatomic gases. The second one, the energy of the system may be zero at absolute zero. But the third one, FD statistics cannot be zero. This is the main difference between to the Maxwell-Boltzmann, Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics. The next topic is the postulates of the statistical mechanics. In a state of thermal equilibrium, all accessible microstates of the closed system are equally probable. It is known as a fundamental postulate of equilibrium statistical mechanics. Now the first one is the number of atoms is vast, we must have a probability sum low. Now the second point is the number of microstates is large. The next point is the system changes between different microstates quickly. The last one is the changes between microstates are reversible. What is that? Reversible. The changes between microstates are reversible. This is a postulates of statistical mechanics. This is the Maxwell-Boltzmann Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac, the differences. The second one is postulates of the statistical mechanics. Thank you.